Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to create a QR code in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Now that we are in the editor page, just click on apps from this left sidebar. After that, look for QR code, hit enter. And let's use this app, for example, the first one. It's called QR code. Fill in your URL here. In my case, I will add my YouTube channel URL. After that, you can customize your QR code. For example, edit the background color. Let's give it a white color. And for foreground color, you can edit it also. From here, I will go with the black. You can also edit the margin using this slider. Now click on this generate code button. And this is your new QR code. If you want to resize it, just take it by the side and make it a little bit bigger. If you want to add a new text above your QR code, simply click on text tool from the sidebar. A new panel opens up. Click on add a new heading and add it like that. For example, I will check my YouTube. Now let's download this image. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. Now let's download this image to my computer, and I will use a QR code app on my phone. This is it, and I will scan the photo I've just created. This is the app again, and quickly after scanning the code, I got my URL here. If I click on open, I'm sure I will be redirected to my channel. And this is how to create a QR code in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.